Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and straightforward guide on how to unsend an avatar from a group on Instagram. Whether you've sent the wrong avatar or simply changed your mind, this feature allows you to retract your message seamlessly. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your messages without any issues. The app's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. Next, look for the messages icon located at the top of the page. This icon typically resembles a paper airplane or speech bubble, depending on your app version. Tapping on this will lead you to all your direct messages and group chats. Once you're in the messages section, find and open the group chat that contains the avatar you wish to unsend. This is where all the fun conversations happen, and it's important to locate the right group where you sent that avatar. Now, here's where it gets simple. Click and hold on the avatar you want to unsend. This action will prompt a menu to appear at the bottom of your screen. Among the options presented, look for Unsend and tap on it. This step is crucial as it confirms that you want to remove the avatar from the conversation entirely. After selecting Unsend, Instagram will usually ask for confirmation. Confirm that you want to proceed with unsending the avatar. Once you do this, it will disappear from both your chat and everyone else's view in that group. However, keep in mind that if anyone has already seen or interacted with the avatar before you unsent it, they may still remember it. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, opening Instagram, accessing your messages, navigating to the correct group chat, holding down on the avatar and selecting Unsend, you can easily retract any avatars you've sent. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on Instagram and other social media platforms.